The calendars.
Yeah. Where did you get those? You just
Calendar pictures.
wow.
Well, you gotta find them in the thrifty stores, or you know, find somebody that knows where to knows somebody that they can get them.
Yeah.
But they're commercial.
Go over here and take a look at the logging camp.
Yeah, if you can get in there.
So with the logging camp, what inspired you to put this up here?
Well, I wanted a logging camp, and I wanted a lumber mill. Well, I put the lumber mill down on the flats, and then I put the logging camp up here.
Yeah.
Because I've been collecting stuff to do with logging, odds and ends.
Wow.
Yeah, and then the calendars idea, I didn't even think about it till I was at what was it, St. Vincent's, or one of the Goodwill? No, it wasn't Goodwill. I think it was St. Vincent's, or a second-hand store. And I seen this big calendar with a picture. I mean, these mountains on there that just made my heart throb. Because I wanted back scenery like that. So when I got home, I started cutting them up. And I used part of it, 2 parts over there, and 1 part over here between these 2 hills.
Mm-hmm.
And then I had, well, I had a lot of stuff gathering up. And so I said to myself, well, come on, Don, let's put some of this stuff on the layout. So I did. Some of it, I still got more, but you know, you got to limit yourself. I think when you got me the lodge one over here,
Mm-hmm.
that one there, that building has a name on it,
Yep.
and that was exciting. I don't know, it's a porcelain building,
Yeah.
but boy did it look good.
Oh, for sure.
So then I got the little building back there, and I changed the name on it and did a few other things to it, and started using it because it kind of breaks up the trains. I got trains that go behind it and ones that can go on the other side.
Yeah.
But the little steam engines there I got 2 more of them, and I think I got them on display.
Yep, I saw him over there.
But the one I like is the one that says Seattle, Tacoma, Portland.
Yep.
That gets you all excited. And I got cars that says this rolling stock that says the same thing on them, so
Huh.
that makes it double exciting.
Oh yeah.
But this, you've got to take when you're out going through stores and wherever you're at, keep your eyes open for items that are made, items that are made for something else, but you can look at it and say, oh wow, that'll look cool on the layout. I want to put it on a building, make it vents or something. So, and then I like changing the buildings once in a while. But over there on that little village, I've got sporting good memorabilia. The Moose Lodge and all that.
That's great.
But then the one here, that's a fishing lodge. And you can never quit looking and grabbing stuff, because you never know when you're going to use that piece, you know.
Yeah, that's right.
Just to get you all cranked up and excited when you finally find a place for something and it's on the layout and you say, oh my gosh, that'll look good with so and so, or that'll look good on, you know. It just, you don't have to go to the point of talking to yourself like I do a lot.
No.
But just to see something that it's not even made for what you think it is, but
Yeah.
then you see it and you say, oh my gosh.
Say, should we pull this creeper back and get a train running around there?
Yep, you can do that.
Okay. There we go. It's looking good.
I've got to put that this train on the back track.
Oh, what hit? Oh no. We got a big derailment over there this time.
Oh,
Oh, I'm sorry. That's my. Oh, shucks. Yeah. Whoopsie daisy. Hold on. Oh, is it?
is that?
Get those rear trucks there. Oh, here we go. Okay, I think we're good.
No, that's not right.
Yeah. Yep, the front's on, that's on, and that's rolling like it should. You have to hit the breaker.
Oh,
Probably have to do track 1 boost. You don't have any power. Did you hit the track 1 boost on there?
oh,
Yep.
I gotta put track 1
Boost.
boost.
There you go. Now you've got power again. It's that Power Master that shuts off the power. Back it goes. That's quite a long loop you got here. Look at that.
I like it because it's a long run and I can turn it around at the front and at the back of the run. And you're just going, keep right on going. Oh!
Oh, now
Came
what?
to a quick stop.
That did, didn't it? Let me take a look here. There you go.
There's she gone. A lot of times I hit the wrong buttons.
Oh yeah.
I do that on the computer. Yeah, I worked with that thing last night, trying to get it going.
back in business. It's a pretty tight corner up there. Okay. What are your next plans for the logging hill up here? You said a spar pole?
Yeah, I'm working on a spar pole. And I got a motor that I'm going to be running it with.
Okay.
And I got to get that put in and painted up.
Yeah.
Then I'm going to make a little gas can to sit out there while the guys are working on it.
That'll be good.
And I got to do something with the logs. I've got to...
Yeah. Here it comes. All right. Well, looking good. So now we'll have to figure out what to put on video next. There's plenty to look at, that's for sure. All right.
There's that one. What's the matter?